Say cheese.
Cheese.
This is very, very bad.
My name is Iyabo Ojo. I'm here to support my beautiful one and only daughter, Priscilla Ajoke Ojo, the Blue Diamond of the season.
My name is Ifan Michael. I'm a filmmaker and I'm here today for All of Us premiere by Enioluwa.
Guys, I'm live at the All of Us premiere. It's such an exciting place. It's such an exciting time. I played the role Isaac on All of Us. It's been such an amazing journey. You know what? I'm really excited to be here, guys.
Hi, my name is Precious, and I'm an entrepreneur and actress. I'm very excited to see Priscilla on screen.
Hi guys, what's poppin', what's going on? My name is Caramel Plug and we're currently here at the premiere of All of Us. I feel like this movie is going to show a lot of dedication and it's going to show that Gen Zs are not just, what they call us. We can do so much more than what they assume that we can do.
Hi, I'm Tobe Uge and I play Ahmad Hassan Bello in All of Us.
What's up, gang? This is your golden boy, Soft Made It, and I played Efe in All of Us. Go watch All of Us right now.
Do you know how much trouble we'll be in? How do you want to explain this?
Do your parents know you're here?
You don't need this.
You are going to transfer to a military school.
I can't go anywhere. My life is here.
I think I've been on a couple of movie sets. It was so beautiful. Every day I'm happy, every day was good vibes. Just young people doing great stuff at a young age. That's fine.
So my character is a very fun person. Initially, very fun, very full-spirited. Leila. Very full-spirited. She's bold. She's audacious. She's somebody that will stay on her lane. But if you come with trouble, she has a lot to dish.
I played Shalewa. Shalewa is a lover girl. That's basically what I can say. Lover girl. Love up and down.
Hi, my name is Hawa. I'm here to support everybody on the team and I'm wearing La Sosa.
My name is Beauty Tukura and I am out to support my friends, the entire cast of All of Us, the series. And I'm wearing pearl bridles. I look absolutely beautiful coming to prom and I'm expecting, an overall amazing series. I know it's going to be so action-packed. I know they're going to bring their 100 and I'm just here waiting to see it.
I'm here at the All of Us, the series premiere, and I'm really excited to see all of the cast. I've got so many friends among the people in the cast and they are super talented. A lot of work has been put into this project, so I can't wait to see how amazing it's going to be. I'm currently wearing the Giancola. There was a dress code which was prom, so yeah, this came in at socks.
I was styled by my friend, Precious Clothing. She's white hair.
I was started by Nicholas the stylist, period.
Hi, my name is Emmanuel Igwe. I played the character Jay in All of Us.
See this slot, too.
What did you just say?
Listen, we've heard all about your gist. In fact, the whole school has. Tell me, what exactly does Mr. Markov has that the rest of us don't?
My name is Simi Dre. I am an actor and TV personality, and I am here to support Eni. This is a one-of-a-kind series. I'm super excited. He has brought out a stellar cast. I saw the trailer, and it looks really, really good. Somebody don't die, apparently. So let's see all the suspense and the excitement, Eni has brought with this series.
A couple of students said they saw you arguing with him on Friday.
Your family is basically bankroll City View.
I'm going to meet some of your best lawyers.
Okay, so I'm expecting a lot of fun, a lot of drama, a lot of laughs, and also I'm hoping to leave with a feeling that I've just seen one of the best films out here.
In this movie, I'm expecting to see a lot of drama, and I'm also expecting to see a lot of emotions roll through. Okay, so this was actually inspired by me. So I really wanted to wear the color pink today because I'm like, you know what, prom vibes. What'd you wear to a prom? Pink, you know, Cinderella.
I think Ahmad is a really great guy. He's really unconventional. He's a rich kid. I wouldn't call him sports brat, but yes, perhaps sports brat. And he's just a guy that loves his friends. Or not.
So I'm wearing an outfit from House of Dennis Azata, and I decided to, mix some trad with prom night. If the Duchess of Ibadan went to prom, this is what she would wear.
I love you, right?
You have a new addition to your class this session.
Why do you keep leaving this door open? Don't you want mosquitoes to kill us?
I had your training resumption party this Friday.
Ahmad, how far the party prep now?
I've got everything covered.
Today I'm here to support all my friends. Like, the cast is literally made of people that I love, from Soft to Jemima to Toby to Annie to Romy to Prissy. Like, these are all my friends, so I'm actually just here to support them. And if there's one thing I'm really looking forward to, is the level of creativity that they're going to bring with their talents, because I know they are all amazing creatives and they are talented people. So I'm just really here to support what they've put together as a team and as a family. So yeah, it's a pleasure to be here to support. Yeah,
I'm looking forward to have an amazing time to watch Prissy, Annie, and every other single Jay-Z in that movie, because I know the Jay-Z's are the one in charge of that movie. I want to see what happens and what's going on with Jay-Z's, Even though I'm part of the cast, I'm anticipating to see what's going on.
I am wearing Ben Pham and Orange Culture. So the inner vest is from Orange Culture and the jackets and suits is from Ben Pham. Watch from BIs and accessories from 1403 and diamonds from Boss Jewelry and BIs as well.
Well, Ife is a cool guy. Ife is a no Q vibes guy. He's a always stunt guy. He likes partying. He likes anywhere that's fun. There's not like no dull moments.
I'll have to meet with everyone tomorrow.
I still can't believe you agreed to be his personal spy.
Informat victory. Just the correct terminologies.
And if I go down, you're all going down.
Fix it. Annie have been working on this for the longest, and he's super excited about this project. So it's like his baby. So seeing it happening today is just really amazing to be here to witness what is going on and to support Annie in full flesh and blood.
I wasn't well liked in the movie, and I was a flirt, so it was kind of weird because I'm naturally a little shy. So, but it was really nice. I liked it.
I played the bully in this movie, although I don't like bullies on the norm. So it was it was somehow difficult for me acting as a bully or becoming a bully per se. So yeah.
We are tired. It's one problem or the other with you every day.
I feel like I'm going to have the most hated character in this series, but it's okay, it's alright. I don't want to talk about challenges really, because I want people to be encouraged to do what they can. Put your mind into things, be resilient at it. And if you're a young person watching this, I want you to know that you can do anything you put your mind to. And if you're young, girl, you can do anything you put your mind to.
A big shout out to Spice TV, and I want you guys to watch All of Us, the series.
This is very, very bad.